Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the top 5 must-visit destinations for 2025. So grab your passports, pack your bags, and get ready for some serious travel inspiration. First up, we're heading to the Eternal City, Rome. 2025 is a special year for Rome. They're celebrating the Jubilee, a massive religious event that only happens every 25 years. Imagine witnessing the Pope leading millions of pilgrims through the streets, or catching a glimpse of the Holy Door being opened at St. Peter's Basilica. You can spend your morning exploring the Colosseum and your afternoon sipping Aperol spritzes in a trendy Trastevere piazza. Rome is a feast for the senses, and the Jubilee year makes it an absolute must-visit in 2025. Next, we're jetting off to a tropical paradise, Koh Samui, Thailand. Picture this: pristine white sand beaches, crystal clear turquoise waters, and lush green jungles. Koh Samui is more than just a pretty face. It's also home to a vibrant culture, delicious food, and some of the friendliest people on the planet. And here's the kicker: remember that TV show everyone's obsessed with? They filmed a huge chunk of it right here in Koh Samui. Koh Samui is the perfect blend of relaxation and adventure, and the set jetter craze makes it even more enticing in 2025. Chapter 3, New Zealand. Like Avatar, but real and cooler, New Zealand has always been known for its breathtaking scenery, but in 2025 it's all about experiencing this natural wonderland sustainably. Think eco-friendly accommodations, locally sourced cuisine, and adventure activities that leave a minimal footprint. Imagine hiking through ancient forests, kayaking in pristine fjords, or bungee jumping off bridges with epic views. New Zealand's untouched beauty and commitment to sustainable tourism make it a must-visit. Chapter 4. Forget Sydney. Brisbane is where it's at and less crowded. Brisbane is a vibrant mix of modern architecture, world-class dining, and a laid-back Aussie vibe. Imagine strolling along the Brisbane River, checking out the latest street art, or catching a show at the iconic South Bank Parklands. Brisbane is just a short drive from some of the best waves in Australia and has a thriving cultural scene. If you're looking for a city that has it all: beautiful scenery, vibrant culture, and a laid-back vibe, Brisbane is the place to be in 2025. Chapter 5. Franschhoek. Why not? Last but not least, we're ending our journey in Franschhoek, South Africa. Nestled in the heart of the Cape Winelands, Franschhoek is a feast for the senses with rolling vineyards and charming Cape Dutch architecture. It's home to some of the best wineries in the world, producing award-winning wines. Imagine spending your days hopping from vineyard to vineyard, sampling exquisite wines and indulging in gourmet meals paired with breathtaking views. Franschhoek is a destination that truly has it all: natural beauty, world-class wine, delicious food, and plenty of opportunities for adventure. And there you have it, folks, my top 5 must-visit destinations for 2025. From the ancient streets of Rome to the sun-drenched beaches of Koh Samui, from the breathtaking landscapes of New Zealand to the vibrant cityscapes of Brisbane and the charming winelands of Franschhoek, there's a world of adventure waiting to be explored. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel inspiration. Where are you planning to go in 2025? Let us know in the comments below.